the hotel room, as you can see, and I'm just relaxing after around 6 hours drive. We took longer than it should have since the weather has been really bad. And in fact, I was planning to stop in many places along the road, but I really couldn't. It was raining so bad for the whole time, so I really couldn't see much. So we just decided to just go into the hotel and check in and relax in the room. I wanted to show you a little bit more of Isle of Skye today, but I really can't go outside. The plan now is just to maybe get changed and go downstairs. I want to really see a little bit the hotel and maybe go in the bar a little bit, having something to drink and relax and just chill really. Tomorrow the plan is to go to the vegan castle if we can go today, and the fairy pools, or just visit Skye in general, just go around because depends how the weather is tomorrow. It's a bit unpredictable in Scotland if you've never been here, even though the weather forecast says something, then when you go out it might be completely different, so you never know how it goes. So if there's a nice weather, we really would love to go to the fairy pools, which is lovely. They're natural waterfalls and it's just really breathtaking. So I really would like to go there, video and show you how it is, and also do some photography, so just taking some photos. Really would love to do that. Regarding Isle of Skye, there's really a lot to see and it's a really beautiful island. If you've never been here, it looks like you are in another world. It just doesn't even look like you're in this world anymore. It's like really magical and looks like a fairy tale. So we've been here in August and the weather was dry. There's a lot of sheep everywhere and I love sheep. I love them. I've always said to my husband that I really would like one in our garden. But anyway, maybe one day. My husband also speaks some Gaelic, which is the local language. Well, local language here, but it's an ancient language. So most locals know how to speak Gaelic, but it's an old language that used to be spoken before here in Scotland. But at the moment, there's not many people that they speak Gaelic anymore. People that still speak Gaelic, they are now in the islands, the West Island of Scotland. Younger generations are kind of losing the ability to speak this language. So my husband studies Gaelic as a part of his degree. He does Scottish history and Gaelic studies, so he really likes to speak this language, and he also wanted to come here to practice a little bit or just try to speak with locals. We're trying to do that, so tomorrow maybe if we go to some shops, maybe he can try to speak some Gaelic with people, so that'll be really exciting to see. And then I don't know, I think we're just gonna be very adventurous, so we'll see how it goes. And then obviously because the driving is gonna take quite a long time to go back home, so we can't leave too late from here, so we need to probably just quite a quick tour of the island, and then we will go home and drive back home. So yeah, that was gonna be exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. So now I'm just going to probably go and just have a shower, refresh myself, have a cup of tea, and just get ready for the day. Maybe go downstairs in the hotel hall, main area, and yeah, just chill. Say bye now, and I will see you shortly. I'll let you know later how it goes. Bye. So it seems like the rain is stopped a little bit and it looks like it's a little bit more dry now. I think I'm still going to go downstairs first in a main hotel hall and just have a snack or something to drink, as I'm very hungry. And I will see how it goes. I really want to chill, to be honest. We're only spending one night, so I just wanted to have a nice relaxing time here. Hello my friends, thank you so much for watching my video and I really hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for all your support and for being on this journey with me. I wish you a lovely day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!